Welcome to Touch to Click. Today I'll show you how to turn off Generate AI on Grammarly and disable AI writing features quickly. Follow these simple steps. Now let's get started. Step 1. Open your web browser and go to the Grammarly website, then log into your account. You must be signed in to access feature controls. Step 2. Click the account option from the left sidebar to open your profile controls. This area holds your main preferences. Step 3. Click Settings to open the configuration page. Here you can manage writing features. Step 4. Open the Feature Customization tab, where optional tools are listed. AI options are managed here. Step 5. Find the Generative AI settings section by scrolling a little. This controls AI generation tools. Step 6. Click the Generative AI toggle switch to turn it off and confirm it shows disabled. The AI generated feature will stop working after this. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos.